Hi, it's Mrs. Morgan, and I want to go over a little bit more. We're still doing landscape design. Now, for landscape, we're going to have to do is you're going to do 3 different textures that you would see on a wall. So one would be a brick, one's going to be stone, and one's going to be siding. So because when you draw these different houses, you're going to know what kind of stuff do you want to draw on the wall of these different houses. Also, I'm going to go over how to draw a dormer window with you, and here is a little this handout right here. And so the first thing you're going to do is, this is a skill handout, so each thing is going to be a skill. Okay, so on a blank piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, you're going to make 3 squares. Okay, so you're going to do that, use your ruler, okay, and make sure that they're basically a square is the same on all 4 sides. Okay, so one is going to be the siding, so you're going to get your ruler and you're going to go down and you're going to put down your siding, and then you're going to label it on the side there. Okay, so you get your siding. Okay, it's right there. The next is going to be a stones. So you're going to sit there and you're going to make stones in this whole entire square. So here you're going to put down stones. And then finally down here you're going to put bricks. Okay. So this whole thing here, you're going to do stones in that whole little block right there. All right, this one, you're going to put bricks. So the same thing, it's going to be very similar to the siding. You're going to put your lines going down equal amounts all the way down. Now, it's important when you do the bricks that you scatter them. So you never see bricks that are all in a row. They're interlocked. So they're going to be like different, like you're going to move them around different ways. So they're interlocked because you don't have, if you ever think about Legos, if you stack a thing of Legos, it would just basically just be one tower of Legos. You have to interlock them to make sure it looks like a brick. So when on the board here, you're going to, after you draw your lines, you're going to sit there and you're going to do your bricks. Move them around. Okay, so you're going to move them around. Okay, this one will be a little better. Okay, now, so that is going to be on your paper. On the other side of the paper, you're going to do your dormer window. And you're going to use these skills that we just learned. So let's do the dormer window over here. I think you'll be able to see a little bit better. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to start off with a square. All right, do that now. Just make a square, and that's going to be the start of your dormer window. And then you're going to put another square in the side of the square. And that's going to have the idea of the trim going around the window. So do a square inside the square. Okay, I'm going to make this bring this a little closer. Okay. Now you're going to do a triangle on top of your square. The triangle goes on top of the square. Do that now. Now, over here, you're going to put a dot, and all the corners are going to go to that dot. So right there is your vanishing point right there. You're going to put a dot, and all of your corners are going to go to that dot. Now I'm going to think about the window panes inside the window. Okay. All right, now this is where I want to use this assignment here. I could put stone in here, I could put brick in here. Up top here, maybe I have siding. And then maybe in here, I got stone, I'm going to put brick. So I'm going to put those lines, and then I'm going to make my vertical line straight where the brick would be. And then maybe here, because that's kind of like the rooftop, maybe I'm just going to add value to that and shaded it. Okay. All right, so I got a triangle, I got a square, okay, and then you get the window. So this is called a dormer window. Okay, texture, the word for this. Building material. Okay. And if you are A or B, you're going to turn it in. If you are C or D, you're going to have to take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, so that is your next assignment, and this is going to be coming under landscape, even though, because we're going to be using these skills when we do our landscapes. And that is it. This is Mrs. Morgan, West Catholic High School. Bye-bye.